So I feel very creative and I don't feel about after because it's so ugly. I don't care about that because it's so ugly now. Remember that song? Right? Right? To everyone, please subscribe Via Moon and Avatar Moon is suspended and that's the old books I have because it's so beautiful. But they can subscribe. But I don't care about that song because that's my sister. Okay? I don't like eating. I don't eat because I don't wanna eat food and I don't care about everyone else. Which is everything. Don't care about Rubia.